Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So today I'm going to show you to use a feature in the DZ09 smartwatch that's called remote capture. And this is remote capture here. For this to work, you'll need BT notifier on your smart device or your smartphone. So over here, you'll notice I have the latest version of the software. Just give me a quick second here, guys. Right, so BT notifier is already installed. You can get it in the Play Store. Just download the latest version for DZ09. All right, so once that's done, you're gonna turn on your Bluetooth. It's quite simple. So once it's on, let's put this aside. Go back to the DZ09, and once you're on the DZ09, guys, just simply scroll over to the Bluetooth. And once you're in the Bluetooth, and notice it says on. So once it's on, all I gotta do is now search for nearby devices, scroll up because I have several devices already connected. And if you look down here, you notice that's my Galaxy S6. I'm just gonna connect, and of course it should prompt me over here. It says connected. I'm just gonna disconnect. It's asking me to sync, says there's no SIM in my phone. I already know that, so I'm just gonna cancel, and I'm gonna go back, and I'm just gonna cancel again. It's gonna open this device. All right, and it does show that we're connected. So once we're connected, guys, I'm just gonna go over here. I'm just gonna go back to the remote capture, as you can see there by Bluetooth. It's gonna ask me to disconnect the music feature. It's gonna OK. It says disconnecting, and just wait for it. It says loading, and as you can see here, guys, it's showing me everything. So I'm just gonna put this as a stationary position, and if I go over here, it will show me other stuff on my desk. So as you can see, I have not moved this, but the phone is being moved, and as you can see, switch this up, it is showing you everything has been seen by my smartphone. And you can prove that. I can show you here. Notice when I turn this down, she's seeing the top of the desk. If I look over here on my phones, it will show you as well. My phone's over here. You can go ahead and capture. It's capturing. All right, and there you go. So that's remote capture. Quite easy to set up once you have the software installed, which is the BT notifier. All right, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and another cool tip showing you how to use remote capture on your device. So Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.